Have you ever been fascinated by the law of assumption, but then warned about its effectiveness? Today we'll explore the mystery behind why this transformative concept is often doubted and misunderstood. Imagine a world where your deepest desires can become reality with just a shift in mindset. Sounds incredible, right? But what if there's more to the story than meets the eye? Join me on a journey of discovery as we explore why some experts discourage the law of assumption and unveil alternative paths to manifestation that might just change the way you approach your goals. Buckle up, because by the end of this video you'll not only understand the complexities surrounding the law of assumption, but also gain insights into practical strategies for turning dreams into tangible achievements. This is a discussion you won't want to miss. The law of assumption, often associated with the power of belief in manifesting desires, is a concept that captivates many seeking to create positive change in their lives. However, behind its allure lies a complex discussion about its effectiveness and potential drawbacks. To understand why the law of assumption is sometimes discouraged, we must first recognize the concerns associated with this approach. One common concern surrounding the law of assumption is its tendency to promote passive belief without corresponding action. At its core, assumption is about adopting a mindset of already having achieved a desired outcome. While this can be empowering, it may also lead to complacency if not accompanied by proactive steps towards our goals. This brings us to the next point, the risk of unrealistic expectations. The law of assumption encourages us to visualize our desires as already fulfilled. However, relying solely on assumptions without considering the practical steps needed for manifestation can set us up for disappointment and disillusionment. Imagine assuming you have achieved financial abundance without taking any concrete steps towards improving your financial situation. This mindset may lead to frustration when the desired results fail to materialize. Furthermore, the law of assumption sometimes overlooks the importance of practical action. While belief is a powerful catalyst for change, it must be coupled with tangible efforts towards our goals. Manifestation often requires us to take consistent steps, make informed decisions, and persist in our endeavors. Now, let's explore alternative perspectives that emphasize a more balanced approach towards manifestation. Integrating assumptions with actionable steps can amplify our results. Instead of passively assuming our desires, we can combine belief with deliberate actions that align with our goals. Active goal setting involves more than just assuming something will happen. It's about setting clear goals and taking specific actions to make them a reality. When we combine our assumptions with actionable steps, we create a comprehensive strategy for success. For example, if your goal is to start a successful business, don't just assume it will happen. Instead, break down your goal into actionable tasks like conducting market research, creating a business plan, and networking with potential clients or investors. By taking these steps, you turn your assumptions into tangible progress towards your goal. Another alternative perspective involves maintaining balanced expectations. While assumptions can fuel our aspirations, it's essential to temper them with a dose of realism. Setting achievable goals and being open to unexpected outcomes can enhance our overall satisfaction and sense of accomplishment. It's important to maintain a realistic outlook while still harnessing the power of positive assumptions. This means understanding that while assumptions can be empowering, they should be grounded in achievable goals and expectations. For instance, if you're aiming for career success, believe in your abilities and visualize yourself excelling in your field, but also acknowledge the challenges and setbacks that may arise along the way. By balancing optimism with a practical understanding of the journey ahead, you set yourself up for sustainable progress and resilience in the face of obstacles. By adopting these alternative strategies, we can enhance our chances of success by combining belief with action and maintaining a balanced perspective on our goals. This proactive approach empowers us to navigate challenges effectively and turn our aspirations into attainable realities. To further engage in this discussion, I invite you to share your experiences and insights in the comments below. What are your thoughts on the law of assumption? Have you encountered challenges or successes while applying this concept in your life? Remember, your participation enriches our community and provides valuable perspectives for others. In conclusion, while the law of assumption holds promise in fostering belief and manifesting desires, it's crucial to approach it with a balanced mindset. By integrating assumptions with actionable steps, maintaining realistic expectations, and staying open to adaptation, we can maximize our potential for success. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the law of assumption. If you found this discussion insightful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more thought-provoking content. Remember, the journey towards manifestation is as much about belief as it is about action. Together, let's create positive change in our lives.